interested in meal prepping but think it's gonna cost you too much money so you just don't? Well, that's why today I'm gonna show you my top 5 money-saving meal prep hacks. So let's get started. So before we even start, meal prepping in general is going to save you so much money. How many times do you go to the grocery store and you just buy random things, you have no plan about what you're gonna make, and by the end of the week you end up throwing stuff away? Especially if you have a whole family and you're like, okay, well maybe the kids are gonna eat this week, and guess what? Then for some reason they just don't eat it and you end up throwing away so much food. That is money down the drain. So for starters, meal prepping will always save you money because if you plan in advance what you're gonna be making, then you only buy exactly what you're gonna be making. So that's kind of like tip number 0. In general, meal prepping will save you money. Now for tip number 1, when you're planning what you're going to be making for the week, look to find out what is on sale that week. Maybe your grocery store is having a big sale on chicken thighs. Maybe your grocery store is having a giant sale on canned beans. Whatever it is, you can always plan your prep around whatever is on sale for you that week at your local store. Money-saving meal prep hack number 2 is more about a product in general. So if you're buying a tomato sauce, usually tomato sauces can be like $8 to $10 for a jar of tomato sauce. Instead, you can buy a can of crushed tomatoes and add whatever seasonings you would like to that. If you have Italian dried herbs in your cupboard, you can add that, add some fresh garlic, and that is gonna overall save you a lot of money throughout the year. If instead of using sauce, you use your own can of crushed tomatoes, and then you can actually kind of make your own sauce, which is how my grandmother has always made her own sauce. She's always used the Cento cans of crushed tomatoes, and she's just seasoned it with her own things like Italian seasonings and garlic. So that is a big money-saving tip right there. If you use a lot of tomato sauce, if you use a lot of tomato sauce, that's gonna help you a lot right there. Hack number 3 is to utilize Costco and BJ's and things like big stores that are gonna save you a lot of money. We buy so many things at Costco that save us tons of money. And as you've heard in our recent videos, we've actually been meal prepping for local families here in Connecticut, and we've been buying so many organic meats at Costco, and it is saving a lot of money. If you buy organic meats at the grocery store, we haven't bought meat in like 3 or 4 years, and so to actually see the prices of organic meat, it's like, this is really expensive. But then Costco has a lot of variety of organic products, and even not organic, like they have regular products as well. And we don't have a BJ's membership, we have a Costco membership, but so I can't speak for BJ's, but we save so much money at Costco, especially even just like the giant organic brown rice bag that they have, that saves so much money. Rice in the grocery store is so expensive. Definitely pays for itself, the membership. I don't know, I think it might be like $100 a year for a Costco membership, not sure. This isn't a sponsored video for Costco or anything, but just check it out, and you might want to see how much money you can save at these wholesale clubs. Money-saving hack number 4 is to incorporate more plant-based meals into your lifestyle. Even if you're not plant-based, it's totally fine. You can still eat plant-based food, especially things like my spaghetti bolognese is literally just a couple of carrots, celery, some lentils, which are very inexpensive. And you can turn it into this nice sauce that really does taste like a meaty bolognese sauce, and that is so much cheaper than actually buying ground beef at the grocery store. So making some plant-based switches will definitely save you a lot of money in the long run. And if you're not sure how to make plant-based switches, grab our book, Plant-Based Meal Prep. In here we have tons of things. Sophie, you're so cute and distracting. You want to come in the video? Come here. Come here. Come say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi, guys. Oh, no. She's really tired and really cranky. So if you don't know how to make plant-based switches into your lifestyle, you can check out our book. I'll put the link in the description box below. Hold the book. That's right, Sophie. Hold the book. Thanks. Oh, you want the other book? Okay. Well, there you go. Look, she's she's selling our other book for us too. Hold the book. Thank you. This is our original book. It has 12 weeks of meal prep plans in here. You can check this one out as well. Oh, anyway, so you can grab this book. It's going to give you lots of ideas for plant-based recipes. There's like, hold the book, thank you. So in this book, there are lots of meat kind of recipes that if you make the substitute from this book, then you're gonna save a lot of money at the store. So there are things like no meatloaf, there's the lentil bolognese, there are lots of different pastas, there's burgers in here, there's eggplant rollatini, not a meat substitute, but it's a dairy substitute. And then you have like curries and nachos in here and even drunken noodles. So there are lots of ways to make your favorite dishes, not only plant-based, but they're gonna be less expensive if you make the plant-based version. And then lastly, tip number 5 is gonna be to plan what you need in advance, which was kind of what I was touching on before. What are you drawing on? Oh, okay. It's not the counter, it's just my notes. Okay. This is what I was saying before, so plan in advance what you need. So make a grocery list. We have shopping lists in these books actually. Make a list in advance what you need, go to the store, buy exactly what you need, and don't buy anything else. That is going to save you so much money. And time too. As you're walking around the grocery store, you're not gonna be standing there going, oh, maybe I need this, maybe I need that. You're gonna buy exactly what you need, which is obviously gonna save you a lot of money. And that's it. So those are my top 5, not 10. Those are my top 5 money-saving meal prep hacks. Sophie, do you have anything that you would like to add to the end of this video? Sophie? Just Sophie. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, send it to all your meal prep friends because everybody needs to save money. Let us know in the comments section below what you thought of this video and any of these hacks that you might start incorporating into your routine. And we'll catch you next week. Bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Bye, guys. Say bye, guys. Go. Say bye, guys. Bye, guys. Ah, there you go. Bye, guys.